Hello everybody, welcome to my our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be fishing in the inlet. And we're here with my dad, Aaron, right here, and my dad's friend, Tomas. Marvin's fishing. Right now, my dad is pulling some bait. Ooh, some good ones, Got some good ones. Look at that. Look at that. Well, guys, we just got wet. Look at how my dad got wet. Well, we got wet and I'm trying to protect my camera for not getting wet. Let me show you the bait. That. We have lots of bait. The inlet is full of people. It's very full of people. And the water is moving really quickly. See, my dad's trying to get our bait out of the cast net. My dad's gonna throw a cast net to show you guys how to throw a cast net. Perfect circle, and that's how you throw a cast net. Look at this, lots of greenies. Look at those greenies. Papi, that thing, Tomas. Se me está jalando. No, tengo uno. ¡Tengo!
Akira, detrás, Akira. Dale. Su jackcito. Enreda más, enreda. Primero.
Agarra así con tu mano, agarra así. Aquí agarra la línea.
Agarra la línea sin miedo.
Agarra así con tu mano. Sí, agárrala, mira.
Ahí está. Ahí está, era. Mariano. ¿Qué hubole? ¿Qué hubole? ¿Quieren ver el video completo? Vayan a su canal de él.